who doesn't like a good piece of fried chicken? And today I'm in my home kitchen whipping up some delicious fried chicken. It's so flavorful, tender, and delicious, and I'm going to show you just how I make it. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you got to be good to the chicken. So I have my chicken. It's been happily sitting in a delicious buttermilk and salt and pepper bath for several hours now. It's even better if you can allow your chicken to soak overnight. And this really tenderizes the chicken. This is the chicken's happy place. This is the step one to creating really good fried chicken. So now I have also a mixture of some flour and some cornstarch. And then I have one whole egg and then just a splash of whole milk. So now what I need to do is I need to season up my flour and cornstarch and my egg because they're not seasoned yet. So we really want them to make sure that we have flavor all around, because with each layer that we create for our fried chicken, we want it to be flavorful. So the only way for it to be flavorful is for us to season it up. So just gonna take it and just mix it thoroughly and then whisk my egg with the milk and with the spices. And for my spice mixture, I'm using some dried oregano, some paprika, and salt and pepper. That's it. Super simple. But it definitely adds a nice flavor, yeah? Okay, gorgeous. So now it's time to get down to battering. So if you have sleeves, pull them up. For me, I'm good to go. What I'm gonna do is take my chicken and I'm gonna dip it first in the flour mixture. Just pressing down to be sure that it really coats. This is really important because this is what's going to create that crispy layer, yeah? Okay, and then I'm going to take it and dip it in my egg wash mixture. And as you can see, I'm using one hand. I'm keeping one hand clean. So I find that this is helpful in the overall finishing process. Now I'm going to again put it in the flour and cornstarch mixture, just using my fork to help me cover. You can also just use a plastic Ziploc bag and shake it like crazy. This is also a great invention and it works super well. Alright, so now as you can see, it's nicely coated. So we could actually coat it again if we wanted to, but I really like the coating that this creates. So I'm going to place it in my sieve, my colander. And this is going to help shake off any excess flour to ensure that my oil doesn't get too dirty too quickly. I am going to continue battering up my chicken, following the same procedure. First the egg and cornstarch mixture, and then the egg wash mixture, and then again our delicious flour and cornstarch mixture. So I'm going to keep going until all of my chicken is nicely battered, and then it's going to be time to pop it in our fryer. So good. Okay, so now I have all of the chicken battered up. It's ready to go to the fryer. So let's get cooking our fried chicken. Okay, so I have just finished cooking my delicious fried chicken, and as you can see, it's nice and golden brown. It has a crispy outer crust, and it looks so delicious. I have to get one of these to try. Wow, nice and crunchy on the outside. The chicken is nice and tender from the buttermilk bath and flavorful. There's nothing like a good piece of fried chicken. So, thank you so much for checking out this video for how to make Southern fried chicken. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you give it a try for yourself in your own home kitchen. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, I can't wait to see you next time. See ya!